Looking today at a compelling package for aerial enthusiasts, the Bwine F7GB2 drone paired with their B65W fast wall charger. This drone is marketed towards advanced users and boasts a native 4K UHD camera. That means it captures video at a resolution of 3840 by 2160, which translates to a significant 8.7 million pixels. When you compare that to standard HD's 2.07 million pixels, you're getting a much higher density of information, promising more detail, sharper images, and colors that appear more realistic, especially when viewed on larger displays. The camera also features an adjustable wide-angle lens with a field of view that can be set between 90 degrees and 120 degrees, giving pilots flexibility in framing their shots and capturing expansive landscapes. Stability is crucial for aerial videography, and the F7GB2 addresses this with an advanced 3-axis gimbal. This system utilizes 3 mutually perpendicular axes, pitch, roll, and yaw, allowing the camera to remain level and stable regardless of the drone's movement. Integrated gyroscopes and sensors constantly detect the drone's orientation and make real-time adjustments to counteract vibrations or interference. This technology is key to ensuring the camera captures smooth, steady footage, even in dynamic flight conditions. Additionally, the drone includes a 5x digital zoom feature. While digital zoom can sometimes impact image quality, it offers a convenient way to quickly change perspectives, adjust composition, or get closer to a subject without physically moving the drone, adding another layer of versatility to aerial photography. Beyond the drone itself, this package includes the B65W fast wall charger. For anyone who flies drones frequently, especially for professional work or extended leisure sessions, minimizing downtime is essential. The 65W maximum charging capability means drone batteries can be powered up rapidly. This speed is a major benefit, allowing pilots to get back in the air much quicker than with standard chargers. The charger itself is designed with portability in mind. Its compact size makes it easy to slip into a backpack or a dedicated drone case, which is incredibly convenient for pilots who are often traveling to different locations for flights. One of the standout features of the B65W charger is its universal compatibility. It's not limited to just charging the drone batteries. Equipped with both USB-C and USB-A ports, it can be used to charge a wide array of devices, including smartphones, tablets, and other gadgets that use these common connections. The ability to charge multiple devices simultaneously further enhances its utility, saving time and increasing efficiency. This makes the B65W charger a versatile accessory that's useful not just for drone operations, but for any tech-savvy individual who needs a reliable and fast-charging solution for multiple devices on the go. The package includes the gimbal, propellers, remote control, charger, and camera, providing everything needed to get started, though the advanced skill level suggests it's best suited for those with some prior drone experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.